First of all, SDLC starts with software bidding. Software bidding means nothing but our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Once again, SDLC starts with software bidding. Our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement. Yes, making agreement in between software company and as well as corresponding client. For example, ICICI, they're looking for mobile app from our company. CEO go to client side. Everyone, CEO go to client side, confirm about the project. For confirmation, making agreements in between software company and corresponding client. Once again, guys, SDLC starts with software bidding. Everyone, SDLC starts with software bidding. Our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. I hope you understood, guys. Who will confirm the project? CEO. CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer. CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer. Next phase, kickoff meeting. What is next phase? Kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select project manager. Once again, this meeting will be conducting by CEO to select project manager. Based on the client and based on the client requirement and based on the project requirement, CEO conduct a meeting with project manager. CEO conduct a meeting with project manager. Once again, guys, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select project manager. You know, depending on project, depending on the client requirement, like who will have good experience, knowledge on particular domain, that person, he will select as a project manager. That person, he will select as a what? Project manager. I hope you understood, guys. Everyone, once again, software bidding. CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Next, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager. And next, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select project manager. To select what? Project manager. Yes. To select what? Project manager. Without project manager, 100% we not able to implement the project. So to select the project manager, he is conducting the meeting called kickoff meeting. I have one question. Okay, this meeting to select the project manager. Then why this terminology called as kickoff meeting? Why this terminology called as kickoff meeting? Because any IT company, any project, everyone, any IT company, any project, startup meeting can be called as kickoff meeting. It is a startup meeting to select the project manager. Na? That's what this meeting nothing but call as kickoff meeting. Next, project initiation note. Everyone, project initiation note, project information note, which is prepared by project manager. Once again, guys, project initiation note, which is prepared by project manager. Once project manager got selected, he will prepare information mail or information document, which is called project initiation note. Once again, he will prepare information mail or information note, which is called as project initiation note. Once again, guys, SDLC starts with software bidding. Our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Next, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager. Next, project initiation note or information note, which is prepared by project manager. After that, requirement gathering. Everyone, first of all, what is mean by the requirements? Requirements means nothing but customer needs. For example, I want to purchase a mobile. For example, I want to purchase the mobile. So I'm going to mobile showroom. Whenever enter into mobile showroom, definitely sales people will ask, what is your requirement, right? Yes, sales people will ask, what is your requirement? Same, if I want to purchase one laptop, if I enter into mobile showroom, definitely they will ask, what is the configurations you are looking? Am I right, my point? Everyone. So requirements means nothing but what? Customer needs. To develop the application, we need customer requirement. So who will collect requirements from the customer? Business analyst, and also called as domain expert. So business analyst and system analyst will collect requirements from the customer, and requirement prepared as a two types of documents such as BRS and as well as SRS. BRS stands for Business Requirement Specification. SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification. Once again, guys, first of all, requirement gathering. Business analyst and system analyst will go to client side, collecting requirements from the customer. Requirements prepared as a two types of documents such as BRS and SRS. What is mean by the BRS? What is mean by the SRS? I'll explain. First of all, business analyst will go to client side, collecting all requirements from the customer. Requirements prepared as a BRS document. Everyone, requirements prepared as a what? BRS document. And after that, system analyst. System analyst, based on BRS, he will prepare number of SRS documents. Based on BRS, he will prepare number of SRS documents. Simple, guys. BRS contains entire the project requirement, but SRS contains only our work related documents. If I am working as a developer, yes, if I'm working as a developer, they're looking for only development requirements. Testers, if I'm working as a testing engineer, Testing engineer, they're looking for only testing requirements. That's what everyone. Based on BRS, number of SRS documents will be there. Based on the BRS, number of SRS documents will be there. Once again, guys, requirement gathering. Who will collect the requirement? Business analyst and system analyst. They will go to client side, collecting requirements from the customer. Requirements prepared as a two types of requirement document, such as BRS and as well as SRS. BRS stands for Business Requirement Specification. SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification. BRS contains entire the project requirement. SRS contains only our work related. That's what, based on BRS, number of SRS documents they will design. Everyone, based on BRS, number of SRS documents they will design. Development requirement as one a development SRS, testing requirements as testing SRS, like that. Based on the BRS, number of SRS documents will be there. You know one thing, if you're working as a developer or if you're working as a testing engineer, you have to analyze SRS. You don't have access to follow BRS. You don't have access to follow BRS. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Once again, software bidding. CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager. Next, project initiation note. Information note which is prepared by the project manager. Next, requirement gathering. Business analyst and system analyst, they will prepare two types of requirement documents such as BRS and SRS. BRS stands for Business Requirement Specification and SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification. Once requirements are ready, everyone start analyzing requirements. Nothing but understanding. Nothing but what? Yes, understanding requirement. Understanding requirements means nothing but analyzing requirements. Everyone, up to here, are you clear? Please give me confirmation message in chat box. Once I need confirmation message, guys, in chat box. Up to now, are you clear? Good. Good. Okay, next phase. Everyone, next phase, after analyzing requirements, plan will be nothing but project plan will be prepared by project manager. In order to complete the project, everyone, in order to complete the project as per the requirement, plan will be prepared by the project manager. Once again, guys, based on the requirements, in order to complete the project as per the requirement, plan will be prepared by project manager. Plan will be prepared by project manager. And after that, design done by architect team and also called as technical team. Architect team and also called as what? Technical team. So once again, first of all, software bidding, Kickoff meeting, project initiation note, after the requirement gathering, two types of requirement documents such as BRS and as well as SRS. After plan will be prepared by project manager. In order to complete the plan as per the in order to complete the plan as per the requirement. Everyone. So plan will be prepared by project manager. And after that, design done by architect team and also called as technical team. Everyone, design done by architect team and also called as technical team. So two types of design documents. What are the two types of design documents? Such as high level design and low level design. Everyone, high level design and as well as low level design. Everyone, once again, based on the requirements, based on the plan, architect team will go for project designing. First of all, guys, project designing is it important? 100%. Based on the design only, programmer start writing the code. If there is no design, programmer, they're not able to go to coding. So guys, design done by architect team and also called as technical team. So two types of design documents such as high level design and as well as low level design. Outlook of the project is called high level design. Inner look of the project is called low level design. Yes, high level design and as well as low level design. Let me show guys what is mean by the high level design. What is mean by the low level design. For example, let's open spicer.com. Let's open spicer.com. See guys, flight module, check-in module, flight status, manage booking, all are called as high level design. All are called as what? High level design. And under the flights, one way, round trip, step by step requirement, nothing but comes into low level design. Are you clear my point? High level design and as well as low level design. After that, coding done by programmer. Of course, based on requirements, based on plan, based on design, programmer start writing the coding. Everyone, based on requirement, based on plan, programmer start writing the coding by using different technology. What technologies programmer they will use? Java, .NET, Python, C#, like that, by using different technology. Everyone, by using different technology, programmer start writing the coding for application development. Once coding is completed, next phase, testing. Everyone, who will perform testing? Who will perform testing? One minute, guys. No, testing is not done by testing engineer. That's what I told you. Subject different, real time different. As per subject, coding done by programmer. Yes, as per the subject, coding done by programmer. But real time, first, once coding is done, everyone, once coding is done, testing not by testing engineer. Coding is done, first of all, programmer conducting testing, nothing but call as white box testing with two levels are there, such as unit testing and as well as integration testing. Once it is done, then we can start our job as black box testing. Black box testing, collectivity of two levels, such as system testing and as well as user acceptance testing. System testing and as well as what? User acceptance testing. Once again, everyone, whenever coding is completed, programmer before start our job, programmer testing on coding part is called white box. And after, testing engineer testing on front-end application, nothing but call as black box testing. Once again, guys, programmer testing on coding part is called white box, and testing engineer testing on application is called black box testing. I'll tell you guys clearly. One small example. One student, they're writing exam in examination hall. Once exam is completed, answer paper before giving to newsletter, same student review. Same student will cross check whether answer is correct or not, right? Which is called as white box. After that, invigilator checking whether answer is correct or not, which is called as what? Black box. Everyone, whenever coding is completed, before start testing engineer job, first of all, programmer testing on coding part is called white box. And it is a collectivity of two levels, such as unit testing and as well as integration testing. And black box testing also collectivity of two levels, such as system testing and as well as user acceptance testing. So let me show you guys the real time. For example, if it is a project, everyone, for example, if it is a project, are you able to see? I'll show you. Wait 1 minute. See guys, this is a front-end application. This is a back-end code. Programmer testing on this code. Who will write the code? Programmer. Same programmer testing on this coding part is called white box. And after testing on front-end application, nothing but call as black box testing. Are you clear my point, everyone? Programmer testing on this coding part is called white box. Testing engineer testing on front-end application, nothing but call as black box. So to perform white box testing, coding skills compulsory, but to perform black box testing, coding skills not compulsory, just application knowledge enough. Everyone, which knowledge? Application knowledge enough. Are you clear or not? Once again, I'll explain that. After completion of code, programmer testing on coding part is called white box. And after testing engineer testing on front-end application is called black box. And white box testing collectivity of two levels, such as unit testing and as well as integration testing. Black box testing also connectivity of two levels such as system testing and as well as user acceptance testing. User acceptance testing. Finally, application release to customer. Yes, application release to customer. After completion of code, like white box testing, two levels such as unit testing, integration testing, and black box testing, two levels such as system testing and as well as user acceptance testing. Finally, application release to customer. After release to customer, if customer facing any problem, then provide support and as well as maintenance. When after delivered to customer, during utilization, everyone, after delivered to customer, during utilization, if customer facing any issues, which is called, yes, which is called, everyone, which is called what? Yes, which is called as support and maintenance. After delivered to customer, if customer facing any problem, then provide support and maintenance. No, Shaikh. Here, after delivered to customer, yes, if customer facing any problem, then provide the support. But guys, interview question, once again, I'll repeat that. SDLC starts with the software bidding. CEO go to client side, confirm the project. And kickoff meeting, this meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select a project manager. Next, project initiation note. Project initiation note or information note, which is prepared by project manager. Next, requirement gathering. Business analyst and system analyst will go to client side, collecting requirements from the customer, prepare two types of requirement documents such as BRS and as well as SRS. Next, plan will be prepared by project manager, design done by architect such as high level design and as well as low level design. Outlook of the project requirements is called high level design. Inside the project requirement is called low level design. Yes, high level design and as well as low level design. After that, coding done by programmer. Once coding is done by the programmer, so first of all, programmer will start white box testing with two levels such as unit testing and as well as integration testing, and system black box testing such as system testing and as well as user acceptance testing. After everyone, after delivered to customer, if customer facing any, like after release to customer, if customer facing any problem, then support and as well as maintenance. Support and as well as what? Maintenance. Everyone, I hope you understood guys up to here. Okay, before go to next topic, I want to ask questions from the SDLC guys. Give me reply in chat box. Before go to next topic, I want to ask questions from SDLC. First question, but everyone, please try to reply everyone. SDLC stands for SDLC stands for, yes, software development life cycle. Very good. Next, requirement gathering. Two types of requirement documents. What are the names of two types of requirement? What are the names of two types of requirement? Such as BRS and SRS. Very good. BRS stands for, BRS stands for business requirement specification. SRS stands for software requirement specification. Next, design. Two types of design documents. What are the names? Design. Two types of design documents. What are the names? Very good. High level design and as well as low level design. Next, everyone. First of all, programmer. Programmer also testing on coding part. What is the name is called? Programmer also testing on coding part. What is the name is called? Yes, white box testing. And testing engineer job is called black box. Very good. And final question. As a testing engineer, to testing on front-end application, coding knowledge required, not required? As a testing engineer, to testing on front-end application, coding knowledge required, not required? No, not required. What is our job? White box or black box? What is our job? White box or black box? Yes, black box testing. Very good. And one more question. One more question. Interview time, if you get the question as when to start testing engineer job, two answers. One is after coding. Second one is after coding and after white box testing. Which one is correct answer? Question is when to start testing engineer job. Answer one after coding. Answer two after coding and after white box testing. Yes, very good. And everyone, management will share the WhatsApp group link in chat box. Everyone, please join into the WhatsApp group. Everyone, management, they will share the WhatsApp group link in chat box. Everyone, please join into the WhatsApp group link. They're sharing WhatsApp group link in the chat box. Everyone, please join into the WhatsApp group. Management, they're sharing the link. Okay, guys, if you have any questions and doubts, you can ask me, guys. And you will get the notes within 2 to 3 days. You will get the notes within 2 to 3 days. If you have any doubts and questions, please ask me in chat box. If you have any doubts and questions, you can ask me, guys. Yes, if you're technically good, the possibilities are there. Pradeep, manual and automation testing, Pradeep. BRS enter project requirement SRS only work-related documents. Sure. Understood. Today it's kind of demo sessions. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to discuss about main subject. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to discuss about main subject. Yes, manual testing we can discuss with live project. Yes, guys, whatever the course I'll covered, manual testing, I'll cover from basic to advanced level. Nothing is there to come pending in the manual. Everything we will cover. Yes, I'll provide the notes within 2 days, guys. HLD, LLD, HLD is a high-level design, LLD is a low-level design. A testing engineer job, black box. After completion of course, we will get the certificate. For recording classes, please ask to management. Naresh, everything we can discuss. Yeah, internship, who complete manual and automation, those students, you will get that. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. We can continue tomorrow. Yesterday, today, demo sessions only. From tomorrow onwards, regular classes will start. The main subject, don't miss the class. Everyone, from tomorrow onwards, main subject will start. Don't miss the class. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day to all. Thank you all.